Hello and welcome to another one of our CSP Cloud Portal guides. I'm going to run through the steps of configuring an existing tenant for CSP licensing. You'll require a couple of things to get this done, namely an existing Office 365 or Microsoft Online Services tenant for your end customer. If you don't have one, you're best to check out our Creating a New Tenant video as part of this series. You'll also require a global admin login for the end customer, or for the end customer to complete some of the steps for you. Assuming the criteria above are all met, this is a straightforward process which won't take long. Start by clicking the Manage Subscriptions and then select the CSP program. You'll notice an Associate End User button up the top. Clicking on it, you'll be prompted for some fields. Firstly, a domain for your customer. This can be the .onmicrosoft.com domain or their new default domain name. The company ID will auto-populate if the tenant is found. You won't be able to modify this field at all. Next, fill out the company name for them to appear under your list of clients and also enter an email address. Now, before you put in the email, note that the address you enter will receive an automated request from our tool to authorize the CSP relationship for the customer tenant. The link in the email should be followed and configuration completed by logging in with the global admin of the end customer tenant, accepting the terms and conditions, and clicking Authorize CSP. If you have previously authorized CSP for the tenant, you won't need to do this again. You'll also notice a Cancel My Credit Card associated with Microsoft checkbox. Selecting this will send the Data team a request to start the credit card cancellation process on Microsoft. We'll do this on your behalf and let you know once it's completed. After selecting Associate and reloading the page, scrolling down the page you might see it with a different status from the others. It's called either Pending Association or Sent Association. This just means that the customer has been sent the email mentioned earlier, but the steps haven't been completed to authorize the CSP relationship. Or if it's only just been a short amount of time, we may not have received confirmation back from Microsoft just yet. Even if your customer is in one of these statuses, you'll still be able to jump through to the Manage page and add the required subscriptions. They'll just be queued up until the authorization process is complete. We also won't start any of our billing until both of the tenant and the subscription are confirmed to be active. For any further information, reach out to one of the helpful team at 0800 DD Sales. Thanks.